Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth. For the first heaven and the first earth had passed away. Hello, I'm Eddie. The new heaven and the new earth are God's promise of eternal restoration where His presence transforms everything. Imagine a world with no pain, no tears, no death, a place where everything is made new. Revelation 21 gives us a glimpse of God's eternal promise of restoration. Let's explore this beautiful vision together. The new heaven and the new earth reveal three powerful truths about God's eternal plan. First, God restores everything. Revelation 21:4 says, He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain. In this new creation, the brokenness of this world will be replaced with perfect peace and joy. Second, God dwells with His people. Verse 3 declares, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and He will dwell with them. The greatest gift of eternity is God's presence, where we will experience His love and glory without barriers. Third, this promise is certain. Verse 6 reminds us, it is done. Christ says, I am the Alpha and the Omega. God's eternal promise isn't a possibility, it's His certainty. For those who overcome through faith, eternity is secured. Ellen G. White wrote, in the earth made new, the redeemed will walk in the light of the Lord. Amen. This isn't just hope for the future. It's a call to live with eternity in our hearts and minds today. Today, ask yourself, am I living a light of God's promise? Pray with me. Lord, help me fix my eyes on eternity and live with faith today. Let the hope of the new heaven and earth inspire you to live for Him now. C.S. Lewis said, there are far, far better things ahead than any we leave behind. God's promise of a new heaven and earth is more than a vision. It's the future waiting for all who trust in Him. I will see you soon in my next video. Thanks, and God bless.